Back in 2021, we have participated in Malaysia Lighthouse Project with a collaboration from MIDA and Produa. Our mission was to embark in IR4 toward digitalization and system integration. By having G5 deployed in JK, we actually are able to enhance two missing elements, which is vertical integration and also horizontal integration. As for the vertical integration, we are now in the better position in order to improve our system from the planning side until delivery to our customer.
We have been studying field system, but at the end we go to monitor G5. G5 provides us key points as below. First, flexible. Second, reliable. And third, strong support. I believe in future, monitor G5 will bring us a lot of benefit.
Sebab kita perlukan satu PIC untuk crate dan 3 PIC untuk checker. Dekat sini production perlu gunakan 2 source yang berbeza, iaitu Excel cutting schedule dan sistem. Tapi ambil masa yang agak lama. Apabila adanya monitor G5 ni sangat membantu, which is PC cuma perlu create MO sahaja dan production terus boleh go to dalam G5 dan dapatkan MO number dan boleh progress untuk preparation wire. So dekat sini sangat menjimatkan masa dan kita dapat reducekan PIC untuk checker.
First of all, regarding to our control polygon level, in our previous system, we have to calculate on how many level we have to generate manually. But in G5, we have to refer manufacturing order from PC to print out the level polygons. Secondly, for our control WIP, previously we required to calculate each harness by manually. But in G5, we have to search on API system.
By using this monitor, we can save our time and simplify our process during the documentation preparation. So we hope by using the monitor G5 can assist us to smooth our delivery process and also eliminate our manual job in future.
Previously, we are using Treeform to do the setting for new part number. It was very challenging because it takes time for us to complete for setting new part number. But now in Monitor G5, we only using one form to do the setting for all the part number, and we can view the linkage to MO and also the sales order.
Our 6 core module, which is integrated each other, really help us a lot in making sure that our data is more consistent and also it speed up our company processes. Right now, we don't have to rely on the manual data entry, which currently we get connected to our customer through their portal and also web EDI. So that data, the imported data, is automatically loaded into our system, which is G5.
I would like to say thank you to monitor team who help us to design the previous system challenge and solve accordingly to our need.
It is definitely a good start for us. Together, we can achieve more.